All right, this is number 66, and we're given this top line, and we're trying to figure out which of the following are true. So I'm trying to show this. So let's start with something we know is true. We know x over y equals c over d. And let's take the reciprocal of each side. That will still be true. Y over x equals d over c. So we've got this part to match up. But what's another name for d over c? D over c is b over a. So we've got it. Y over x equal b over a. So we know Roman numeral 1 works. Now let's look at Roman numeral 2. Roman numeral 2 says x over a. We're trying to show x over a equals y over b. So let's start with what? We know that x over y equals c over d, and we know that equals x over y is c over d, and c over d, we know that c over d would equal a over b. So this would equal a over b. Do you see what I did there? We know that I'm starting with this one, x over y equals c over d, and then I want to figure out what is c over d equal to. We had to take the reciprocal of each side. So c over d is a over b. So I know that x, y equals a over b. Now what am I trying to show? X over a. So I think what I want to do now is let's cross multiply. X times b equals y times a. And I need to have x over a, so let's divide both sides by a. So these will fall out. So I've got xb over a equal y. And what I want to have over here, a b. So divide both sides by b. And that will leave me x over a equals y over b. So that's what I'm trying to show. So 2 works. Now what about 3? 3 is y over a equals x over b. So let's start with this that line. xb equals y times a. And I'm not going to be able to do this. I need to get a in the bottom where I can divide both sides by a. But look, those fall out. There's no way to do that. So only Roman numeral 1 and 2, they're equal but not 3.